Hello everyone, this is Tasha with Expeditious Dragonflies LLC, which is a trucking and dispatching company here located in North Carolina. Well, Concord, North Carolina to be exact. But anyway, for a little while I've been trying to do this video for all my other dispatchers and or carriers or even brokers. What it is about an app called a Genius Scan, and I'm about to show you guys what it is. So you simply just go to your app store that's on your phone, whatever mobile device you have. Simply type in a search, Genius Scan. And I've already kind of got it already because I had to look for it a few times. Even though it's already on my phone, I just want y'all to know that. I already have it on my phone. So there you go. Type in Genius Scan, and it's the first one where it says Scanner App, the little circle. So it tells you about Genius Scan, and I've been having this for a couple of years. My daughter introduced me to Genius Scan because she started college a few years ago. So yeah, it's a real good app for you to be able to scan your documents. So you open it up, and this is what you get. Now, as you see, I use it. I definitely use it. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. It is very simple. So from this point, you see the little plus button will circle. You're going to definitely hit that in the next few moments, and I'm thinking I'm just gathering some documents that way I can show you guys. Please pay no mind. This is only for demonstration purposes. They mean absolutely nothing. But again, like I said, you see, I do use this app. It is a good app. Like, I really do. You can email, you can text, you can fax if you want to upgrade to that plan. But I got the free plan. This is the free one. So you click on the plus, like I told you. So this is me gathering my little documents together. And I still didn't have enough because I wanted to show you more than one, at least 3 documents you can scan at one time. So I'm just getting that together. So please forgive the little darkness. Yeah. So getting my documents together. So yeah. So like this is the first page of one of the documents, and it does it automatically once you line it up. You can redo it, if you don't like it like that. Here I go again, lining it up. It automatically takes the picture, goes to the next one. And same thing for the last page. So make sure what I tell everybody is all your documents that you do have is signed and so on and so forth. But you can always rescan the documents if it don't look good to you. So after that, this will pop up. And what you want to do is rename it. Please rename it. Where it says 2023-10-8, rename that. There's a little pencil beside it. You click on it. And I'm going to try to highlight it as best I can. So once you rename it, I don't remember what I renamed it to. Oh, I put rename. So yeah, again, this is just for demonstration purposes only. So yeah, I renamed it to October 2023 or something like that. Or you can use other little names that I'm showing you that's already been saved on there. So yep. Why did I do that? I'm not the brightest light bulb, but whatever. So y'all see, it's got renamed to October. And I always will tell everybody, rename your documents, especially if you have like a a trip number, order number, things like that. Name it to that. All right, so I'll just showing you that you can add more stuff to it, like pictures and other files and stuff. Let's keep on moving. So, like I said, I only got the free version, so I can email, I can save it to my Drive cloud where it says files. I can fax, but you need another app for that. And where it says other apps, that's where you can actually text it to somebody, okay? And it says sign with Genius Scan. Again, you will need another app for that. And I'm just showing you guys. I'm just kind of picking on it just showing you what the things are, okay? And please forgive my background. I am kind of washing. Today's wash day. See? I'm just showing you guys what they look like. The other apps for Genius Scan. If you want to get it. If you want to upgrade and get those. You don't have to. You can simply text the documents or email. So I'm basically what I'm doing is just emailing it to myself. So I'm emailing it from my business account to my personal account. And I took off where it says scan, and I left where it says rename October 10, 2023. I don't know why I did that. And I'm hitting the little arrow where, just means go or email, send. So it's gone. So it's been sent to me. And basically that's it. that is how you use this Genius Scan app. It is really that simple. It is nothing hard to it at all. Again, I've been trying to get this up for my carriers as well as my other dispatchers and or brokers. That way, we can send everything over to the factoring company correctly.